The trucks arrive carrying the raw material, crushed grape pomace. This waste product is the first step in creating our premium grapeseed oil.
Here at the facility, the grape pomace undergoes meticulous manual sorting by our skilled workers before entering the separation phase.
As the grape waste enters the rotating drum, the centrifugal force separates the pulp from the valuable seeds.
The secondary conveyor ensures an even spread of the seeds as they approach the separation unit for processing.
Transfer to seed separation, grapeseed oil.
This is where the vibrating seed separation begins. The moist grape seeds are rapidly shaken, allowing
difference. The powerful air blower lifts the lighter pulp residues away, allowing the heavier, clean grape seeds to drop directly.
By precisely controlling the tilt and vibration, we separate the premium seeds, ensuring unparalleled quality. Here, the grape seeds pass under a powerful magnetic separator, effectively removing even the smallest metallic contaminants.
The rotary seed cleaner gently tumbles the grape seeds. This removes fine dust and microparticles, ensuring.
Despite advancements in technology, the human eye remains critical. Our team meticulously inspects every seed.
Here we begin the process. The seeds must be completely dry before they enter the washing pipeline.
As the hopper gate opens, the grape seeds cascade like grains into the flowing water, which carries them forward into the washer drum. Here we see the seeds undergoing the initial high-pressure wash cycle to remove all residue before moving to the dewatering stage.
The high-pressure nozzles remove the final impurities, ensuring the highest quality grapeseed oil. Next,
the vibrating dewatering unit efficiently removes excess water from the washed grape seeds before they enter the warm air drying intake.
The semi-wet seeds are gravity-fed through the chute into the industrial dryer. Here, warm air.
The grape seeds enter the multi-zone drying chamber, where powerful air blowers begin the extraction process, ensuring the perfect moisture content for the oil. Our multi-zone drying process is key. As the seeds move towards the final high-temperature zone, moisture is efficiently evaporated.
The seeds tumble towards the dryer exit, their moisture content reduced for optimal oil extraction.
Once fully dried, the seeds are cooled by ambient air fans on this conveyor, preparing them for the crushing machine intake. The dry grape seeds accumulate in the buffer hopper, where our team checks the moisture levels before they are fed into the crushing unit.
The crushing rollers begin to extract the oil from the seeds.
Inside the crusher, the steel rollers compress the seeds, cracking the shells and breaking them into coarse granules, making the oil visible.
The secondary grinder utilizes high-speed blades to reduce the seeds into a fine, powder-like meal.
The screw conveyor transfers the crushed grapeseed meal steadily forward, delivering the material precisely into the preheating chamber.
The crushed meal enters the conditioning chamber. Warm air and high-pressure steam soften the material, preparing it for efficient extraction.
The conditioned grapeseed meal is fed into the industrial screw press, where heavy mechanical press slowly compresses the material.
The screw press utilizes immense force to extract the oil. As the heated meal is compressed, the pressure
through high-pressure extraction, the intense compression forces the golden grapeseed oil through the perforated steel, collecting in the tray below. The freshly pressed grapeseed oil, rich in nutrients, flows through these specialized stainless steel channels towards the settling tank. The dry cake is compressed into solid chunks and sent down the line as a valuable byproduct. As the crude grapeseed oil enters the settling tank, the heavier solids begin to separate naturally, drifting slowly towards the bottom. As the drum spins, the high centrifugal force effectively separates the pure golden green oil, which then flows smoothly into the pipeline. Heat-assisted extraction boost for grapeseed oil. The residual seed material undergoes secondary pressing by the worker to extract the remaining oil, which then merges into the main oil pipeline.
The grapeseed oil is consolidated here, creating a smooth, continuous flow as it heads toward the filtration system.
The crude grapeseed oil is now being transferred to the filtration unit for purification. The crude grapeseed oil is forced through the filtration unit, where impurities are separated before moving to the secondary pipes.
The filter press mechanism utilizes immense pressure, trapping the fine particles, while the clarified golden grape.
This macro shot shows the semi-filtered oil passing through the fine mesh filters, removing the microscopic impurities and making the oil visibly clearer. Refined to perfection, the golden grapeseed oil flows smoothly into the holding tank, ready for bottling.
As the tanks fill with our premium grapeseed oil, every batch is inspected for clarity before being moved to the refining unit.
The degumming process begins as the crude oil enters the tank. Water and acid are introduced to separate the phospholipids.
Here in the neutralization tank, the alkaline solution removes free fatty acids from the grapeseed oil.
Here we see the separation layers clearly visible. The clean golden oil is then drawn off the top layer into the drying chamber. Vacuum drying process is critical. Under reduced pressure, moisture is rapidly converted to steam, leaving behind the purified oil ready for bleaching. The activated clay is carefully introduced into the oil, where it absorbs the darker pigments.
Here in the deodorization column, high-pressure steam strips away impurities. This ensures the grapeseed.
A sample of the refined grapeseed oil is carefully collected from the pipeline before being transported for testing.
Here in the quality control lab, we verify the clarity and composition of every sample using advanced analytical techniques.
The digital analyzer confirms optimal purity and composition. We can now proceed to the viscosity testing phase.
As the oil flows through the viscometer, we verify its thickness. This batch is now ready for the approval stage. Seamless integration ensures that once the supervisor approves the batch, the automated valves direct the oil precisely where it needs to go.
Here at the plant, our refined grapeseed oil flows through state-of-the-art pipelines to the automated filling line.
Utilizing the rotary capping system, we ensure a tight seal on every bottle of grapeseed oil before it proceeds to the labeling phase.
As the rollers apply the branded labels and the stamper adds the batch code, our technicians meticulously check the alignment before packaging.
The synchronized system swiftly groups the grapeseed oil bottles, folding and sealing the cartons with maximum efficiency.
And this is how modern factories produce grapeseed oil from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.